everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I was trying to get that in really quick. But anyway, today I am just going to share super quick and easy and I also wanted to share the treats I found at Dollar Tree because this is the perfect place to go and make them for like a classroom, or just if you're going to make a bunch for, like, I used to make them for my mom's nursing home, but they have the cutest little candies that you can really jazz up, and just, I think it'd be really special, especially for a classroom this year, because I think the kids deserve something extra special. So anyway, this is the treat holder. It's really, really easy, and I've made these years ago before. So this is the stamp set I'm using. It's heartfelt. This is in our annual catalog. And I love this because it's got a big image and we have a punch that goes with it. And it makes it super quick and easy. And I'm just using the Happy Valentine's Day one this time. And also, I am using this designer series paper, which is from the Regals. And it's the 2020-2022 designer series paper packs. And if you join my team, you get all 5 of these packs. So this is a great time to join Stampin' Up. And if you've been thinking about it, this is the time to do it, because even if you're making a $100 purchase, the kit is $99. Go ahead and get the free packages, and you have no obligation when you are joining. There is a quarterly minimum, but you don't have to do videos. You don't have to do anything fancy. You don't have to have parties. You can just get the discount for yourself, and you will get 20% discount. So you get all 5 of these designer series paper when you join. So I am using this one right here. You can use any designer series paper you have. I wanted to do something in cherry cobbler because I haven't used it a bunch, and it's one of my favorite colors. So this is what I'm sharing, and when you open it on the inside, I punched through it, so I don't want to take it out, but I want to show you the candies. And these are the little candies, but look how cute they are in these little packages. And you can put a name and to and from on here, but why not make it super special? And this is so easy and quick. You can't. There's 20 pieces in here. You can even stick 2 pieces in, 2 if you want in there, if you have a smaller classroom. But this is $1. You can't beat that. So I wanted to share that. And so let's go ahead and get started. It's really quick. So you need a piece of cardstock, and this piece is 6 by 2.5. And this is the cherry cobbler, as I said. You're going to score it in half at 3 inches. I already did that. So I'm going to just sharpen this right here because it looks like I didn't score it really straight. So there we go. And then you're going to mat it with the designer series paper. This piece is 2 1/4 by 2 3/4. So let's go ahead and mat it. You can even fancy it up if you want. You can round the corners or do whatever, but this is super quick. Your kids can do this with you. And then we're going to stamp the sentiment, and we are going to use the Happy Valentine's Day and some cherry cobbler because I love the coordinating products that Stampin' Up offers. Everything always coordinates so beautifully. And we are going to stamp this. And there is our Happy Valentine's Day. And then the punch is right here, and this came in a 2-pack. It came with the regular punch and the scalloped, and I'll list it in this video here, the name of it, because I can't remember. So we're just going to punch this, and we're going to simply add it to our card. You can pop it up even if you want to, but I'm just going to add a little bit of wet glue to the front. Then we're going to use let's put a candy in there first. So we're going to put these candies in there. And the kids like something special, especially the younger ones. You're just going to punch it in the center. And then I'm using some of our Whisper White stitched satin ribbon. Make sure there's a little point because this is a small hole here. And I have been going through the little package and the other side, so I'm putting it right through the packaging. That's why I didn't want to open the last one. All right, then we're just going to cut this. And we're going to use some of our Whisper White. This is from the new catalog, and this goes with our snail mail, but it comes together with the Blushing Bride and the Whisper White. And I just usually tie a knot, and then I slide these two inside. This is because I don't have an extra hand to hold the ribbon. And you can just tie a knot, or you can tie a bow. I wanted this to be where it could be for a boy or a girl because, you know, boys don't usually like frilly, but I think this would go for both. And it's not, you know, a real light pink, or the Cherry Cobbler works really well. But I love this designer series paper. It's so pretty, and we just went with something quick and simple. So it's as simple as that. Wouldn't that be fun just to give to your kids' classrooms? Aren't they cute? All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.